Warning to every Palantir Technologies shareholder watching this right now. If you own PLTR stock, or you're thinking about buying it, what I'm about to share could seriously impact your investment decision in the coming weeks and months. This is not hype, this is not fear-mongering, and this is not financial advice. This is a clear, data-driven reality check that every long-term and short-term Palantir investor needs to hear. So make sure you watch this entire video, because missing even one part could cost you money or save it. Welcome back to Stock Predictor. Right now, Palantir stock is one of the most talked about names in the market. Some investors believe it's the next trillion-dollar AI giant, while others warn it's dangerously overpriced and setting up for a painful correction. And here's the truth. Both sides have valid arguments. That's exactly why this moment is critical for PLTR shareholders. The stock is at a crossroads, and the next move could be big in either direction. Let's start with what's driving the excitement. Palantir has positioned itself as a key player in artificial intelligence, data analytics, and government defense contracts. Its platforms like Foundry, Gotham, and AIP are being used by governments, military agencies, healthcare systems, and now increasingly by private companies. With AI dominating headlines and investment flows, Palantir has become a favorite among retail investors who don't want to miss the next Nvidia. Recent earnings reports have shown improving profitability, positive free cash flow, and growing commercial revenue. This is huge because for years critics said Palantir would never be consistently profitable. Now the company has proven it can make money, and that has attracted new investors at a rapid pace. Institutional interest is rising, analyst coverage is expanding, and social media hype is stronger than ever. But here's the warning part. When hype grows faster than fundamentals, risk increases. Palantir's stock price has already priced in a lot of future success. And when expectations are this high, even slightly bad news can trigger a sharp drop. Let's talk valuation. Palantir is trading at a very high multiple compared to its current revenue and earnings. Investors are essentially betting that Palantir will dominate the AI software space for years and scale rapidly without major competition issues. That's a bold assumption. Yes, Palantir has strong technology, but it is not alone. Big players like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and smaller AI startups are all building competing platforms. Competition is real, and margins could come under pressure. Now pay close attention to this next point, because many shareholders are ignoring it. Insider selling. Over the past year, Palantir insiders, including top executives, have sold significant amounts of stock. While insider selling doesn't automatically mean the stock will crash, it does raise a red flag when it happens consistently at higher price levels. Insiders know the business better than anyone. When they reduce exposure, investors should at least ask why. Another major issue is government dependency. A large portion of Palantir's revenue still comes from government contracts. Government budgets can change quickly due to politics, elections, wars, and economic conditions. One delayed or cancelled contract can impact quarterly results more than investors realize. And if political pressure increases around government spending, defense and tech contracts could face scrutiny. Now let's talk short-term risk. Palantir stock has rallied aggressively, and technical indicators suggest it may be overbought. When stocks move up too fast, they often pull back to reset. This doesn't mean Palantir is doomed, but it does mean new buyers chasing at high prices could face immediate losses if a correction happens. Smart investors plan for this instead of reacting emotionally. Earnings volatility is another concern. Palantir's revenue growth, while improving, is not perfectly consistent. Any slowdown in growth could cause Wall Street to reprice the stock very quickly. Remember, high-growth stocks don't fall slowly. They fall fast when expectations change. But this is not just a negative video. There is also a powerful bullish side that long-term investors should understand. If Palantir successfully becomes a core AI operating system for governments and enterprises, the upside remains massive. The company has deep relationships, high switching costs, and a strong brand in mission-critical software. Few companies are trusted to manage data at the level Palantir does. Its AI platform adoption is accelerating, and management believes this is just the beginning. If commercial revenue growth continues at a high pace and profitability keeps improving, Palantir could justify its premium valuation over time. This is why some investors are holding despite the risks. So what should a Palantir shareholder do right now? First, stop trading on emotions. Don't buy just because social media is bullish, and don't sell just because someone says, crash. Look at your time horizon. If you're a long-term investor who believes in Palantir's vision and can handle volatility, you may choose to hold through ups and downs. But if you're overexposed or chasing short-term gains, this could be a dangerous moment. Second, manage risk. Position sizing matters. No matter how bullish you are, putting too much money into one high-volatility stock is risky. Even great companies can drop 30 to 50% during market corrections. Third, watch the next earnings report very carefully. Pay attention not just to revenue, but to guidance, margins, and commercial customer growth. That's where the real story will be told. Here's the bottom line. Palantir stock is not a simple buy or sell right now. It's a high-potential, high-risk investment at a critical valuation level. Shareholders need to be mentally prepared for volatility, pullbacks, and emotional headlines. The biggest danger is blindly holding or buying without understanding the risks involved. If you stay informed, disciplined, and patient, Palantir could be a powerful long-term winner. But if you ignore the warning signs and chase hype, you could be caught off guard. This is why I made this video. Not to scare you, but to prepare you. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Stock Predictor, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important market update. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you bullish or bearish on Palantir from here? I read every comment. Remember, the market rewards patience, not panic. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.